Okay, I thought I'd just do another example of masking. This is kind of fun. It's making a globe, so an Earth revolving. And we're going to mask it. Again, it's a little bit fiddly, so just have a bit of patience with me. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to import to library an image which is a map of the world. Here we go. Oh, I've already got it in here. Okay, so we've imported it into our library. It's there. We're going to drag it over and we're going to put it at the side, and we're going to make two of them. So I'm going to copy that and we'll put them side by side like so. We can align it, we can transform it. Oops. Okay, so we're going to have that sort of hanging off, and I think that has to come down as well. Okay, and then we're going to come over here and we're just going to make an Earth, and this is going to be our mask. Okay, so there's oh, now I've made a boo-boo already. So let's call our layers so we don't. So there's our world. We need another layer, which is our mask layer, and on our mask layer we're going to now create an Earth and take our selection, move it up here. Okay, we can fiddle around with the aligning. I would unclick Align to Stage if that's clicked, and in here we can play with the distribution, but I think it's pretty good to go. If we look at this, maybe make it a bit bigger. Okay, so that's on our mask layer. If I turned off the world, we could see that I've got a masked layer. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is go to frame, let's say 80. This is going to be a pretty quick clip, but so on these frames, and we're going to insert some frames on both layers. Okay, I'm not sure why that's done that. Okay, because I don't want that to happen. Alright, so if I click on that, that's good. Okay, now the next thing, I'm going to go right into the middle of the world map, and I'm going to insert a motion tween. So yes, we convert both of them. So you'll get this here to indicate that it's tweening. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the end here, and we're going to insert a keyframe, and we're going to drag this guy over halfway, and you'll see this little motion tween line, which means it's going all right. Just make sure the alignment's good to go. And then we're going to come up to the masking layer. Now this is where it doesn't always work on my machine, but okay, so click on the masking layer, or right click on it with Control, and then hit Mask. Okay, so you've got your mask, and if we preview it, make it into a SWF file, we've got our globe. So you might want to play with the map, have different colors. You can make it larger. kind of cool. We could loop it so that it just keeps playing. Oh, no, hang on, let's put the onion skin. We could slow it down by increasing the number of frames or changing the frames per second. Well, that's a pretty good, and that's a little object that you can import like into After Effects or use with other files. Okay, so that's in Flash. That's our revolving globe.